Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Sierra Inn. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. This Sierra Vista, Arizona hotel offers a seasonal outdoor pool, has rooms with free Wi-Fi and serves a daily continental breakfast. Fort Huachuca US Army Installation is 7 miles away. A satellite cable TV, a microwave and a refrigerator are included in all rooms at Sierra Inn. Comfortably furnished, each air-conditioned guest room offers a desk, a sofa and seating area. Please note that at Sierra Inn front desk stays open till 11 p.m. Vending machines featuring drinks are also available. Ramsey Canyon Preserve is 10 miles away from this hotel. Kartchner Caverns State Park is 24 miles away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.